How to start buying cryptocurrency. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can start buying cryptocurrency, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now there are many platforms and apps and services that you can use to buy cryptocurrency. There is Binance, Trust Wallet, Coinbase, but for this particular video I'm going to be using Coinbase. So you can open up Coinbase over here, and once you have done that you can just come to the trade option here. Once you come to trade option, now remember you need to have signed up and created an account for any of these platforms. So whether it's Binance, whether it's Trust Wallet, Robinhood, or any other crypto application, you need to make sure you've already signed up and verified the account. Now once done, to buy the cryptocurrency you can just go to the buy option depending upon the crypto app that you're currently using, and you can select any cryptocurrency that are currently in profit or maybe in a certain less amount so that you can actually sell them later. So you can just go ahead and select Bitcoin, let's say, and once you select and buy Bitcoin later on with a certain amount of profit, if you happen to earn them, you can also choose to sell it. And that's all it takes to start buying cryptocurrency. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.